Okay, now we will be creating a new account, and our was what was the company code? What was the company code? Any idea?
I'm sorry सर मुझे याद नहीं सर मुझे याद नहीं
Okay, it was, I guess. Okay, no worries, no worries, no worries. SC10. Oh. It's gone. Ten. TAP group. Umair and Naveed. FICO. Okay. It was DAP. TAP 9. DAP. It's not working. DAP is not working. What's the matter? Closing account group segment. To B Enterprises, Naveed and 2B. Where is 2B? LP 9. Okay. Secondary cost. 10,000 cafeteria charges is already made. 6 is already made. Spiaro. Controlling, cost center accounting, actual postings, period and closing, uh, activity allocation. Okay, price calculation, settings for cost components, split defined cost component structure. Now, cost component structure is basically very fundamental. Okay, cost component structure. Okay, cost component structure, Nadeem cost structure, CN, LAP, LAP. We have WAP, LAP. Okay, new entries, L2, active, activity, cost component structure. Okay. Selected attributes. Okay, name of attributes will be cost component structure is L2, 10 consumables. Okay, and fixed and variable. Okay, fixed and variable cost of goods manufactured, fixed and variable cost. Okay, and next entry. Okay, L2, 30, electricity. Okay, fixed and variable. Next entry. Rent, fixed and variable. Salaries, fixed and variable. Okay. Oh, we don't have LAP. We don't have LAP. Okay. LAP2, Kashifat al Shakil, Rashid Furqan. Change owner, confirm. Okay. Save. Okay, this is done. Now, cost element intervals. Now, what are we basically doing over here? Let me tell you the logic over here. The logic is pretty simple. The logic is pretty simple over here. When we are making a cost component structure, okay, before this, we have actually achieved activity allocation, which was direct and indirect. What is direct and indirect? Let me tell you that. Direct is cost center to cost center using hours or labor hours or units or number of employees employees using cafeteria, for example. Okay, that's hours and units. Direct, you can count all these. Yeah, you can take a note of this. But indirect is something else. Is basically you, for example, you fixed that per hour rate is $50 for QA, and in QA, the assessment criteria is that if 500 units are passed, like pass grade, that means 5 hours were spent on grading 500 units. Okay, so you want to calculate time and allocate $50 per hour. Okay, so this is indirect. I mean, the criteria is a little bit twisted in this case. So cost component structure, what we are doing over here is basically this will be used against production order. Okay, production order will use cost component structure. Why? Because we are mentioning what? Salaries, rent, other expenses, right? And this will be absorbed in production order. Okay, so L2 is how this will be absorbed, because L2, the salaries will be assigned to GL or cost elements in cost elements. Okay, each of these salaries, rent, or any other expense will have their cost elements. Okay, so now we have 10 assignment cost component cost interval, new entries, L2 chart of accounts. Okay, our chart of account. Our chart of account is LAP 1, LAP 2. Okay, cost element. Okay, now what will be the cost element? Let's hope it is made. Okay, cost component will be 30, because this is cost element related to element 30. And 30 is electricity. So this will be electricity GL. Okay. Okay. L2CA 400, 600. 400, 600. You can also add more. Yeah, 50. L2, L2CA 400, 500, 400, 500, and 90. Okay. Okay. Save that. And it was saved. I hope this is clear to you. Yeah. It is empty. I don't know why. I have to check. Okay, it is there, but 10 is not there. Okay, let's do that in another class. Let's make it active, save. Okay,